What is XRP? XRP is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs to facilitate immediate and trusted payments. To begin with, it's important to understand the difference between XRP, RippleNet, and Ripple. Before that, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Crypto Trend, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for instant notification. XRP is the currency that runs as digital payment on a network called RippleNet. RippleNet is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) that aims to enable instant monetary transactions globally. The organization that runs RippleNet is called Ripple. RippleNet uses a distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. The XRP ledger is open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather a distributed ledger database over a network. How does XRP work? XRP was created by Ripple to be a fast, cheap, and scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platforms like SWIFT. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds using proof of consensus. This means that whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and validity of XRP transactions, anyone can be a Ripple validator. The list is currently made up of Ripple, along with universities, financial institutions, and others. RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, with Ripple the company as an active member. What's special about XRP? With the launch of XRP, Ripple aimed to overcome the slow transactions you get with other cryptocurrency. The typical 10-minute time to create a new block can spike to an hour for some Bitcoin transactions to complete, depending on network congestion. While Ethereum is generally faster, with an average of around 15 seconds, the gas fee on the Ethereum network is quite costly. XRP settles in less than 4 seconds with a network fee that's just fractions of a cent. Thank you for being here. We hope you've enjoyed the video, and catch you in the next one.